lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday and I'm super excited. Friday, yay. All right guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a very fun video for you guys. I just thought I wanted to do something a little bit different. So you're probably wondering what this is. So let me just show you. This is a adhesive diamond wrap. This one is from Dollar Tree store. It only cost me $1, and they do have the silver and the gold one. At least in my store, I only saw 2 colors. I got the silver. I was regretting not getting the gold one, but anyways, it's too late for that. So I would say I would probably use this for different things. I could probably use this to record my videos, and it would probably look really nice. What do you guys think? I can do my videos here and just kind of stamp my nails. I think that would work. I might try doing a video with one of these things. Okay, you guys, but that's not what I want to show you guys on this video. Like I said, it was only $1. So, there's some girls that really like to decorate their nail stuff. So, it's been a while since I don't really do anything to my stuff. So, here I have a stamper, one of these clear stampers. And I believe this is from either... No, I think this is from Born Pretty store. Anyways, so this is simple. I mean, it's nice. I like it, but we're gonna go ahead and make it more, more beautiful. So here I have some scissors ready to cut. And so we're gonna go ahead and measure. I'm gonna wrap this with this diamond adhesive wrap. That's what it's called. So you're gonna measure how much you need. So I think this is gonna be enough. So yeah. So the thing is, I'm gonna see where I need to cut. I need to cut right here. So right here, you guys. So we're gonna cut all the way. And I already play with this before I even record this video, because I don't want to look like a fool in this video. Alright guys, so once you cut that little piece, you're gonna have a lot left over. Maybe do like a couple more stampers. So just kind of clean your stamper. I'm gonna use some alcohol just to make sure you get rid of all the oils. Okay, let me just clean my fingers. Okay, you guys. So once you measure, you're ready to apply this, and you gotta be careful when you separate this, because you don't want to, this is like a double tape, I believe. So make sure you're doing it the right way, okay? But you guys, you're going to go ahead and start applying that to your stamper. Now, I would say start from the top. Don't stick it from the bottom yet. Make sure you go straight. Okay, so see how I'm starting from the top, and then keep going and going. I'm just having fun, you guys. So I have all this left over. So right here. Now once you know where to cut, go ahead and cut. You can save this. You might need it. I don't know. Or throw it away, whatever. I'm just going to save it. Alright, guys. So, the reason I told you to, like, start from the top is because... Wait a minute. You're going to end up with this right here. See how it's, like, wider from the top and skinnier from the bottom part? But don't worry about it, because these diamonds actually are easy to work with and they're wonderful. See, just kind of squeeze your stamper. See that? And you cannot even tell there was so much left. It was so much bigger, you know. I don't know what I'm trying to say, you guys, but you guys get the point, right? All right, so make sure you stick this really good on your stamper, and voila, you're done. Just put your head back and you're ready to stamp your nails, and your stampers are gonna look like $1 million stamper. You're gonna have some fake diamonds on it. And they look so beautiful, you guys. See, I'm ready to stamp. You can still see through, of course. I don't know what happened there, but yeah, you guys, I just wanted to show you guys this because who doesn't like a beautiful stamper? And it's only $1. The material you're gonna buy is only $1. Again, they have the gold one, so I think I'm gonna go back and actually purchase some of the gold one and probably do all my stampers like this. So I hope you guys like this DIY idea to decorate your stampers. Like, I love it. So I didn't copy this from anyone. I just saw these and I was like, I can do something with these. So yeah, you guys, I did it. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you like this video, give it a big like. Subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.